So I just got home. I know I look crazy. That's beside the point. I want to try and make a breakfast hot pocket or calzone. So let me show you what I got. I got some turkey bacon. This kind of good. It tastes like, I don't even know. It don't taste like regular turkey bacon because you know, like regular turkey bacon is just like, ugh. You know, you can't even cook that good enough to make it taste like something that's edible. This one's really good. That's the point I'm trying to get. This one's good. I got cheese, and then we got eggs. I'm not picking up this carton of eggs, but y'all get the point. So I'm gonna make like a breakfast hot pocket. We'll just say that. Shit might low key be kind of big now that I'm thinking about it. That's a lot of dough. Anyways, gonna make a breakfast hot pocket, and I think I'm certain I'm gonna throw away some onions and low-key forgot to seal this, but it looks good. I mean, it's more of a log than it's okay though. We're still gonna eat it. Good morning, guys. It's Sunday morning. I didn't film anything yesterday. I kind of forgot about it, to be honest. So yesterday I pretty much worked and I made a wig because I'm going on a little weekday trip coming up, which I'll obviously share, but I'm not going to tell you just yet. So, this is the wiggy. Ain't it pretty? I'm not finished. I still have to add in some additional tracks on here. But I have to try it on and see if I want to slip this back a little bit. Because I realized when I was making this that this cap is bigger than the normal cap size I did. So yeah, I might have to adjust a little bit. I know I look hella crazy right now. It's literally because I just woke up like maybe 20 minutes ago. So I'm a little bit rough. Anyways, I'm about to make myself some breakfast. I'm gonna like wash my clothes, finish up this wiggy, and I think I'm gonna go over to my mom's house today, spend time with my family. Looking like a whole banshee still. It's okay that we got coffee. Good morning, guys. It's Monday morning. It is 10:02 on the dot. What's today's day? I think it's like the 23rd or something, maybe the 24th. Let me check. It's February. Oh, it's the 22nd. Anyways, so it's Monday morning. I have a few things I need to get done today. Like I need to wash my hair because the bun is a no. I'm gonna wash my clothes, which I already got set up and ready to go over there in that bin, and make like some breakfast, and then I need to start packing my bags for my weekday trip, which will be real too. So I think today we'll just do those few things I mentioned. And tomorrow I actually am getting my hair done, hence me like washing it and everything. And why is this flaking like this? Why is this doing that? It's annoying. Anyways, and so tomorrow I have to get my hair done and get my nails done. But I think I might just do my nails myself, do my little poly gel situation, because hello, it's free. And it's just more comfortable to do it at my own house. I really don't want to sit in the nail salon and inhale all of those fumes in there. So I'll probably just do my nails my damn self. We'll see how it goes. I mean, if anything, I can show you guys how to do that if you want. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go wash my clothes and I'll come back and show you guys my smoothie bowl. Clean clothes. I'm gonna pull all this stuff away. So yeah, remember when I was like, oh, I'm gonna show you all of these things I'm gonna do today. Didn't get to do any of it. It's like almost 6 o'clock now. The only reason I didn't get to do the stuff I had planned was because I had to go help my sister out. She just had like surgery. What's the time? She just had surgery, so I had to like help her get settled in, like back home and stuff. So I ended up stopping everything I was going to go help her. Not that I'm complaining. She's my sister. I'm gonna do that for any of my siblings, regardless of what I'm doing. But yeah, so I didn't get to do any of the things I actually had planned to do. So now I'm gonna just edit this video real quick, and then I guess, because it's like low key tight late, tomorrow I got like mad stuff going on, so I think I'll try to at least wash my hair tonight and then maybe blow dry it in the morning. Yeah, because then I can do like overnight deep condition. But yeah guys, now I'm done. Yeah. Now I'm just eating, like about to eat leftovers and edit this vlog. I think this vlog is just gonna be like bonus footage from my Montreal trip that I took in 2019. since I didn't really have anything exciting going on this weekend. There's exciting stuff coming up, but not right now. So I'm gonna eat my little meal, some leftovers from last night, chicken tikka masala, and probably just take it down. I'm like really exhausted now. Morning guys, it's Tuesday morning, 8:21 a.m. I literally just woke up since the craziness going on. Anyways, today I need to pack for my trip, finish my wiggy, wash my hair, go get it done, and do my nails since I didn't get to do anything yesterday. So let me show you what the wig is looking like right now. Like I literally just have to sew this last track on, but that's about it, and then style it. I low-key think I might just wet it and leave it as is, so I don't have to carry like curling iron and all that extra stuff with me. But pretty much done. Just got to sew that last track on. Then I need to pick out clothes because I have no idea what I'm gonna wear yet. I know what shoes I want to wear. No idea about the clothes. I did wash my clothes yesterday. That's why everything is all nicely tucked away today. So yeah, actually I'm low-key kind of hungry too. Maybe I'll eat real quick, shower, scrub my scalp, blow dry it, and then come back. That's what I'll do. Tell me why I get to this place to go get my car inspected, and now you have to make appointments. Like what? Why? So pretty much I had to make the appointment for freaking Friday, so I had to like cut my trip early and even earlier than I initially planned on. So now I need to reschedule my bus ride home, and they're probably about to charge me extra because I didn't put like, anytime you ride with like Greyhound, you have an option of like buying like a regular ticket or doing this one called like Flex, I think it's called, Greyhound Flex or something like that. And pretty much it allows you to change the time right of your ticket without charging you any extra costs. And I don't know, you get something else. I can't remember what it is. So now I'm looking tight because I know they're about to charge me extra $20 just to rechange my ticket. Obviously I'm back home. You guys were actually in my closet. So now I'm about to do my nails and finish sewing that last track on the dang wig. I've been supposed to have done this like the past 3 days, but I don't know why. I was just like procrastinating doing it. I have no clue why. It's really annoying. So I'm gonna do that now and get something in my belly because I'm hungry again. Oh guys, so let me show you my sister gave me. My little sister, this is what I was helping out yesterday, which is why I didn't get all of my other things done. So she told me she had gifts sitting at her house for me for like since Christmas, and I totally kept forgetting about it. I do that a lot. But here we are. Here we are. She got me this cute little, her daughter picked out this little cute, I think she got it only $5, but it's so cute. A little makeup washing brush, a washing machine. It's so freaking cute. I didn't even open up the boxes yet. And then she got me makeup brushes and one of these LED vanity mirrors. It's so cute. Chef Nikki on the grill. Guys, I just got home. It is 8:47. I mean, I'm low-key far away, but y'all get the point. It's late AF. I'm full. I have a whole food baby from tonight's dinner. We went to this Korean barbecue restaurant where they have like the grill on the table. I don't know exactly what that's called, but they have the grill on the table and they do like hot pots there and a bunch of other cool stuff. So it was like all you can eat, and well, I don't think it's technically all you can eat. I mean, it kind of is, but not really, because like if you don't finish, whatever you don't finish, you have to pay full price for it. So that's why we're full. So full. But as you guys can tell, I did my hair, I finished the wig, but the nails are not done. So I low-key kind of want to do them tonight, but I kind of want to go to sleep at the same time because I'm full. I think we're gonna just push through it and just do them because I really want my nails done. So, oh my gosh, and guys, I still haven't even packed. Did not pack at all. So there's that. I don't know if I mentioned this in the earlier clip, but let me put you guys down because I'm trying to take pants off and do this at the same time. Where can I sit, you guys? Fudge, I gotta hold you because I don't want to show my legs. Or, anyways, so earlier I went to go get my car inspected. Get my car inspected after I got my hair done, and the place that I go to now, they're making you like schedule an appointment to do your car your inspection. So couldn't do that like I normally do. Like when you first pull up, you can normally just pull up and do the inspection that way, but because they're doing this new process because of COVID and some other crap, you have to schedule an appointment. So guess what my appointment is? Friday freaking afternoon at like 4 o'clock. Whoops. But the plot twist is that my bus doesn't leave the city until like 6:30 p.m. So there's that. So I'm probably gonna have to cancel that bus and see if I can hop on an earlier one, which I really don't want to do because I want to actually spend like the whole day there and hang out with my girlfriend before I have to come back home, back to reality. But I need to get my car inspected before the end of the month, so there's that. I don't know, guys, we'll see how I'm feeling. I low-key kind of just want to just say F it and just get it done on Monday. But then again, I don't want to risk it out here because these cops out here be bugging. So I don't know, we'll see. But excuse me, I'll sit down. I am sitting down. I'm gonna, ooh, you guys are crooked. I'm going to do my nails. Yeah, I'll do my nails because it's still kind of early. I can do my nails and like catch up on my YouTube stuff, and then like, you know, wash my face because I got matte makeup on. Not really. It just looks like I got a lot of makeup on. I already just had this on. Then I did like a little bit of blush, but low-key kind of wiped it off. Anyways, I'll do my nails, wash my face, and wrap this hair up and lay down because I am pooped. So pooped. Thankfully, I cleaned up this apartment earlier. That's one good bonus. But, all right, guys. I'll probably see y'all in the morning. Hopefully, I have nails.